food security, value chain development for livelihood and income generation, resilience to climate change and other natural shocks, human resource development, and sustainable environment and natural resources. These are what the Harmonized National Research and Development Agenda in Agriculture, Aquatic, and Natural Resources sector hopes to achieve in 2022 to 2028. The R&D agenda will serve as a guide to the national R&D system in formulating programs and projects on AANR development. Encourage complementary and relevant collaborations and partnerships. Mobilize and ensure effective and efficient use of resources, and provide a framework for R&D capacity and expertise development. The R&D agenda adopts the whole-of-government approach, wherein it should be a joint undertaking of public agencies involved in the development of the AANR sector, also considering the initiatives of the private sector. It also supports all current strategies and initiatives of various government agencies and higher education institutions. The R&D agenda primarily advocates for Agriculture 4.0 that is smart, green, and SNT based. Consistent with existing rules and regulations and cultural values, it shall support the following: farming, biotechnology and genomic sciences, frontier technologies like nanotechnology, farm mechanization and automation. All things considered, the R&D agenda supports initiatives to promote regional AANR productivity, competitiveness, and sustainability in order to engender human, environmental, and economic resilience. The R&D agenda includes specific plans for the crops, livestock, aquatic, forestry, natural resources, and environment subsectors. It also provides direction for cross-cutting concerns such as climate change adaptation and disaster risk reduction, technology transfer, socioeconomics, policy research and governance, and human capital systems. The R&D agenda in the crop subsector are: for the livestock subsector, the R&D agenda includes the aquatic R&D agenda are in forestry, the R&D agenda are in natural resources and environment, The R&D agenda for climate change and disaster risk reduction are in technology transfer, for socioeconomics, policy research and governance, finally, in human capital systems. DOST Picard's Industry Strategic S&T programs, or ISPs, support commodities and other cross-cutting concerns. For crops are abaca, coconut, rice, mango, banana, tropical fruits, legumes, ornamentals, cacao, coffee, rubber, sugarcane, root crops, queen pineapple, pili, garlic, vegetables, and other commodities. For livestock, these are swine, goat, cattle, carabao, native chicken, native duck, native pig, rabbit, and other livestock species. For the aquatic sector, these are mangrove crab, blue swimming crab, abalone, mussel, oyster, milkfish, tilapia, tawilis, ludong, sardines, tuna, shrimp, seaweeds, sea cucumber, and other aquatic resources. We also support the following under the Natural Resources and Environment. The estimated funding requirement of the R&D agenda for 2022 to 2028 amounts to more than 400 billion pesos. Funds will come from the concerned agencies' annual general appropriations, R&D allocations from policy pronouncements, an intra-government agreement with the National Security Council on Marine Research, and counterpart funds from international organizations. The amount to fund the AANR R&D agenda seems to be large, but actually, it is a small price to pay considering the benefits that we will gain from it. Food security, economic growth, competent and well-trained human resources, and a sustainable natural resources and environment. Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat.